Looks like we've got more info on the Samsung Galaxy Watch7. Leaked images from what seems to be an unreleased version of Samsung's website have spilled the beans on a bunch of new details about these smartwatches, all thanks to our friends over at Android Headlines. First up, the Galaxy Watch7 is going to come in two sizes, 40 and 44mm. And guess what? It's bringing some fresh colors to the table, green and cream. Perfect for making a style statement. Now let's talk durability. These watches are crafted with Armor Aluminum 2 and sport a sapphire crystal display. And if you're into outdoor adventures, you'll be happy to know they're IP68 and 5 ATM dust and water resistant. Plus they have that tough MIL STD 810H certification. But what about the battery life, you ask? Well, the batteries are sticking with what we saw in the Galaxy Watch 6, a 300 mAh battery for the 40mm model and a beefier 425 mAh for the 44mm. No word yet on if they'll last longer, but fingers crossed. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Under the hood, we've got a smaller 3nm processor, likely the Exynos W1000, and guess what? Storage has doubled to a whopping 32 gigs. It also comes with dual-frequency GPS. And for all you health enthusiasts out there, the rumors are buzzing about upgraded wireless charging and non-invasive blood sugar monitoring. As for the price, well, that's still a mystery. But the big reveal might just happen at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10th. Mark your calendars. Oh, and before I forget, the leaks also dropped some hints about a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, but we'll save those details for another video, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. What are you most excited about with the Galaxy Watch 7? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-loving friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.